Cool. In this video, I would like to take you through how you can fix problem of not receiving WhatsApp messages and call. What you're supposed to do, you can click this three-dotted icon in the upper right hand side of your WhatsApp, then get into your WhatsApp settings, then come to here we have the privacy settings. So you need to adjust some privacy settings here. One of them is read receipt. So you need to turn on the read receipt. So read receipt technically may affect the rate which you send your messages and the rate which the recipient get your messages. So it's quite a sensitive setting if you tamper with it. Then what you need to do again, you can come to where we have calls under the privacy settings. So there is an option here which is called silence unknown calls. If in case you have turned on these settings, you can turn it off to try and solve that problem. Though this is just a settings which disallow a known contact or the contact which you have not saved from calling you. Then from there, we can come again. So we have said these settings need to be turned off, this silence call. The other settings which you can come and check is the contact. So you can try and check if you have blocked that contact. So to know if you have blocked that contact, just come to where we have blocked contact under the, let me show you where it is located, under the contacts option. Then come to where we have blocked contact. Then in case that contact is blocked, you can be able to see it from this interface. You can just click above it and then unblock that contact. So you can see now this box is empty and block contact are now none. If in case you do this and you don't get any update, or your WhatsApp does not receive messages, or you are also unable to receive the message from that contact, you can try to come to where we have you can try and come back, get into your phone setting, or just click above that WhatsApp icon, then click application information, which you can technically get through the settings option. Then come to where we have the storage. You can try and clear the coach. So in order to get to this option again, you can get to this option using settings. Get into your settings, then come to where we have app management. Then you can come to where we have app list, but it will be named different based on the kind of the SIM which you are using. Then you can come to where we have WhatsApp. So it is arranged in alphabetical order. So it is here. When you click above, you can get back to that interface which I have shown you. When you come to this interface, you can come to storage and then clear some coach. So after doing that and there is no effect, or you are also unable to receive messages, so the best method now can be to sign out of WhatsApp and then sign in again, which is so easy. In this WhatsApp, you can just get back to the, instead of uninstalling the WhatsApp app, you can come to where we have application, then come to where we have storage and coach, and you can clear the storage. Let me show you. You can try and clear the storage and log out of WhatsApp and then log in again rather than installing the app. But to notice, this can be also a network problem, network connection problem, in case you can be able to search anything and get the result in WhatsApp. So that technically means you need to log out of WhatsApp and then log in again, and the problem will be solved. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of our future learning content like this. Thank you and God bless you.